Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing. I got the creeper, the Cleated creeper, the surf ones. So I'm super excited to open this box and show you what they look like. They look so beautiful online, like, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see them. So this is what the dust bag looks like, and these are the Dazzling blue green Gecko. So these fucking beautiful, like, these are everything. Like, when I tell you, hold on, let me like get the other packaging. These are gorgeous. Like, these shoes are gorgeous, and this material, it's not suede, it's like actual, like you could go to the beach in these. Like, she actually made these for fucking practical ass shoes for going in the water and in the rain and shit. Like, I cannot wait to wear these. I don't know how I'm gonna style these, but these are just beautiful. So like, let's just get a detail. So we have like this clear sole, which is not like the bubble gum, which I love this. Then like the stripe on the side in the green, and this is like a slick material. It's not the same, like, I can't describe what this is. It reminds me of like a beach bag material, if you know what I'm talking about. And then you have, instead of laces, you have like a drawstring to adjust them and tighten them to how you want them to be. I love these. And then you get the Puma Fenty inside. I think these are gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, these, the fact that I was actually not going to get these and they sold out, and then shout out to Divine Creations, because girl, I love you. She told me that these are on Hibbits, and I got them, and I got them in a size 8.5. Sometimes a 9 will be too big, and an 8.5 is perfect, and I'm glad she came out with half sizes. So I'm going to try these on for you and come back with my final thoughts, because I'm already obsessed with these, but once I really try them on, like, then I'll let you know the real tea, because the internet was actually going insane over these. Like, the internet was actually going crazy over these. So I can't wait to try them on and see how they look. Okay, you guys, these are super comfortable. I love these, the way they fit, the way they feel. They were super easy to slide on because they don't have like laces, so this part gives you like a little bit of give. These are for the win. These are a size 8.5, and I wear a size 9 or 8.5, 8. So if you are my size, you can get away with an 8.5 if you're a 9, and you just don't want it to be like have extra room. I would definitely go with the half size down. Oh, I love these. I don't know how I'm going to style them, but yeah, they're super comfortable. I love them. So these are what they look like on. So as you saw, I tried them on and I love these. I'm so glad I got these. If you can get them still, I highly recommend these. These are everything. If you're a sneakerhead or you like are a Puma Fenty head, out of all the shoes, you need these. And yeah, Rihanna, thank you for having me be a fly ass girl. Like, thank you, but I need some music. But yeah, these are the Puma, the Cleated Creeper Surf and Women's Dazzling Blue Gecko, and I love these. I will see you in the next video. I have another Puma Fenty unboxing coming soon of like her last collection. I ordered quite a few of those when they were on sale. So yeah, thumbs up this video if you like videos like this, and let me know your video requests down below. Remember to drink water, spread love and positivity, and to love yourself, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget, subscribe, because I am a unicorn and I will hunt you down and find you. Bye you guys.